Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I do to maintain my box braids. I'm going to show you guys what I do like bi-weekly, weekly, and daily. So I look like this because I just filmed a video, so that's why I'm all like dressed up and have this makeup on. But I'm just going to take my earrings off because it's going to be a lot easier that way. And I'm also going to take these buns down. So I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but my scalp is kind of dry. I don't think I have moisturized my hair in, it's been a few days, I think, since I've done anything with my hair. But at this very moment, it's time to wash my hair or refresh my hair, well, my scalp, cleanse my scalp. When I wear box braids, I do not like to actually shampoo my hair in the shower because I feel like it makes my hair frizzy. I'm natural, so I don't like the way box braids look after getting wet. So instead of doing that, I like to use this waterless cleansing foam from Batiste. It's like a dry shampoo, but it's supposed to be for dry hair. So because dry shampoo is for like oily hair and it will essentially dry up all the oils. This is a little bit different. It cleanses your scalp without stripping it of its moisture. So I'm just going to basically put my hair into sections. I'm just going to do half, so like top and bottom. I just take some of the foam and then I just apply that to my scalp and I work it through and I just massage it in. And this just basically refreshes my scalp so that my scalp doesn't stink, because there's no reason why your scalp should stink. I mean, I guess there's a reason if you like sweat and stuff, but when you have things like this, there's no reason why your scalp should stink. So I just work it through and it feels so good on my scalp. And I haven't done this in about a week and a half or 2 weeks. So you can do this weekly, I guess, depends on your lifestyle, or every 2 weeks. And now I'm just going to do the top. Okay, so now that the cleansing part is done, we're going to go into the moisturizing part. At this point, you can go in with your favorite oil and oil your scalp. If you're anything like me, oils don't work for your scalp. Oils don't moisturize at all for me. They make my scalp really dry and itchy and burn sometimes. So I can't use oils, a lot of oils directly on my scalp. I have to like layer it, like use water-based products and then the creams and oils and things like that. So I like to use jojoba oil and Ucuuba butter, track and tension serum. This is supposed to be for protective styles, so for like box braids, cornrows, sew-ins, if you have things like that, you can put this in. So I'm actually just going to go section by section and apply the serum down my parts, and this just provides instant relief to my scalp if it's itching or dry. And I just go ahead and put this on every single part. So now I'm just massaging this in and all throughout my scalp just to make sure that it hit every little piece of my scalp. Okay, so now that I have that part done, the moisturization part, I am now going to go in with my growth part of it. So I like to use Jamaican black castor oil with a little bit of tea tree oil. This is the brand that I use here. But I did put it in this bottle here. This is not the one that I'm using. I just used this bottle. And I'm also going to use this, and I'm going to apply that afterwards. So I take my black castor oil mixed with tea tree oil, and I just apply that to my edges. And I just rub it and massage it in. And then I take the red pimento growth oil and I do the same thing. And then I just go ahead and do the same thing in the back. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm just going to do my last step, and it is to put a scarf over my head. I like to use a satin or silk scarf, and it's just gonna protect my hair from frizz. And if you do not like to wear a scarf, it'd be best to get a silk or satin pillowcase. I have a silk and satin pillowcase as well, just in case like I forget or I just don't feel like wearing it. Then I will sleep on that. So now I'm just going to actually put this back. And then I just tie my scarf. And if you have a bonnet, like a long bonnet, you can use that too. It's your preference. But I'm just mainly doing this to protect my edges and my hair. It's the final step. And then I can go to sleep because I have my scarf on. Okay, so that was everything that I do to maintain my box braids, to keep them fresh and frizz free. So far I've had my box braids in for almost a month. I'm like a few days shy of a month. I'll probably keep them in for a couple more weeks and then get them redone. These are knotless box braids, and I like them. I think they're cute. I think they're holding up pretty well. I am getting some growth. I don't know if you guys can see any of this, but my hair is growing pretty nice for almost a month. But yeah, this is everything that I do to maintain my hair. If you guys like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, make sure to like this video, share this video, comment down below, let me know what you think, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.